Great night to be out at the Ball Diamond as the season is underway for ages all across the area.
Yeah, and one Little League team has quite the cheering section. KWQC's Bailey Dietz shows us how young players are getting a lot of support from the young at heart.
And we get pretty rowdy.
The boys of summer are back in action at the Milan Little League field.
Swing all the way, bud. Swinging hard.
But these 7- and 8-year-olds have much more than their moms and dads in the stands. 92-year-old Dorothy Shees likes to have a front row seat.
Go, go, go!
Her great-grandson plays baseball, but he's not on this team.
Hey, got one run in.
She, along with a handful of others, are here from the Fort Armstrong Assisted Living Center in Rock Island.
They show up, they support, they cheer. It's fantastic.
The facility sponsors this team, but you can see the residents lend much more than the name to the jerseys.
Fort Armstrong is awesome. They cheer us on. There's a person that honks the horn every time, so that's pretty much awesome.
The group comes with signs and noisemakers. They cheer with every at-bat.
Got all the way to third base. I just love to watch the little kids play ball. I don't know whether it makes them play harder or not, but I think they enjoy having us here.
Parents and coaches say it definitely means a lot to the team.
They just think that the world of these guys, they appreciate every bit of support they get from the sponsor.
And for the residents, it's much more than enjoying the competition or snacks from the concession stand.
They're out in the community and they're interacting. They love kids. I think the intergenerational interaction is just wonderful, and they love that.
Hey!
And even though it's all about having fun for these players right now, those in their special fan section have high hopes for them.
They really play their heart out. Someday they'll be playing for the Cubs.
In Milan, Bailey Dietz, KWQC TV 6 News.
Yeah, that's pretty much awesome. Fort Armstrong has been sponsoring the team for several years now. Residents try to make it to at least one game